Hello, my dear students. Today we will take another topic, that is hierarchy of classification. Hierarchy means it is a graded scale, or you can say a ladder-like structure. That means larger group, sub-larger, smaller, still smaller, and least smaller. The living organisms have been broadly classified into five kingdoms by Whitaker in 1969. By Whitaker. These all organisms have been categorized, have been grouped into five kingdoms, namely Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. That means all organisms are classified into five major groups: Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. By Whitaker in 1969, these larger five groups have given a particular group name by the Whitaker, that is kingdom. That means these are kingdom, the largest group in classification. These are actually the groups in classification. It is the kingdoms. That means five kingdoms: Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. Now, though it is the largest group, though some groups are larger than kingdoms, these are known as domains also. Basically, the classification of organisms into five kingdoms, it is the last classification, or the classification which is accepted by all these humans or scientists. But before coming to the five kingdom system of classification, the first classification was given by Aristotle, that is two kingdom system of classification, then three, then four, then five, and last Whitaker in 1969 gave the five kingdom system classification. That means all organisms are classified into or grouped into five groups, large groups. These are known as kingdoms. Now these large groups are divided into subgroups, and each kingdom has been further classified into smaller subgroups. That means the kingdom, it is a large group. This large group is again divided into subgroups, at different levels, or at a different points or junctions. Actually there are 7 levels: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 levels on which organisms are classified, so that the basic unit of classification is reached. The major group in classification is kingdom. That means there are five kingdoms. All organisms except viruses, they are classified into five kingdoms. That means all organisms on earth, they can be either Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. Now, after kingdoms, another smaller group, it is phylum, or you can say division in case of plants. Division. If phylum, that means kingdom Monera have many phylums, kingdom Protista have many phylums, Fungi have many phylums, Plantae have many divisions, Animalia have many phylums. And these phylums are still classified into different classes. That means a single phylum can have many classes. The class is again divided into orders. A single class have many orders. Order is further classified into family. A family has order has many families. A single order can have many families, 2, 3, 4 families. And family have genus, many genus. A family have many genus, 2, 3, 400 genes. And genus have species. That means this species, it is the basic unit of group, or you can say this is the last group. This species is a last group, which I already discussed the definition of the species to you. There are these 7 categories, these 7 groups in which organisms are divided, so that the particular organism level will reach to the species level. There are 2 important references, these points regarding this. If you go right from the kingdom to the species, the number of organisms decreases. It is the important point. If you go from species to kingdom level like this, the characters, you can say characters, or you can say similar characters of organisms, similar character of organisms get decreased. Similar character of organisms get decreased while going from species to kingdom. That means the maximum similar characters are present in species and least similar characters are present in the kingdom. That means similar characters of organisms, they get decreased from going from species to the kingdom level, and the number of organisms get decreased from kingdom to species level. That means the number of organisms will be more in kingdom, very less in species. Number of different characters are present, large number of different characters are present in kingdom, and very small different characters or similarity in characters is present in species. Or you can write this point as the different characters or presence of different characters will go increasing from species to kingdom, or you will decrease from kingdom to species level, the different characters, but the similarity will increase. That means the similar characters of organism decreases while going from species to the kingdom level. These are the 2 important points which are usually asked in the examination regarding this. This is the hierarchy of classification. That means an organism can come under kingdom level among 5. Phylum level, there are many phylums to each kingdom, many classes to each phylum, many orders to each class, many families to each order, many genus to each family, and single species to the genus. And we have to write the characters of every setup in this classification, in this group, or you can say hierarchy. That will be the next topic. Thank you.